When designing our new office space, we had a tough time finding any pre-made desk options that fit our space. Those we did find were overpriced junk, so we decided to make our own desks using cabinets. Short cabinets that would be needed for an office desk are harder to find and often pricey. Fully custom cabinets are also pricey and time-consuming to make, so we're using inexpensive, assemble-yourself flat pack style cabinets for the bases of our desks. Let's get started. A standard cabinet is too tall for an office desk, so we need to cut them down to size. Our DIY countertops would be 1.5 inches thick, and we wanted a finished height of 29.5 inches. So we need a cabinet that is 28 inches tall. That means cutting off 6.5 inches from our 34.5 inch standard height cabinets. We're using Avalon-based kitchen cabinets from Home Depot. These are meant for a kitchen sink to sit in them, so they are the only cabinet with a fake drawer front. That way, we're not paying for a working drawer we're just going to cut out. We set the table saw to 28.5 inches and cut both side panels down to height, making sure the false drawer front is on the discard side of the blade and the outside of the cabinet is up on the table saw so we don't scratch the paint on it. The back panel is shorter but still needs to be cut down, so we're setting our table saw to 25.5 inches and making sure the groove is on the keep side of the blade. Now we need to set the table saw to 24 inches and cut the false drawer section of the cabinet front off. This leaves a 1/2 inch gap at the top of the cabinet front, so we need to trim a piece of the scrap we just cut off. First, we need to chop our scrap cabinet front down to width. Then we'll simply plane it down to the correct thickness, though you could use a table saw here as well. The piece of scrap is now screwed into place. There is a small hole in these cabinets where the false drawer front was attached, but we'll fill that later. The rest is easy. We just assemble the cabinets per the instructions, then attach them to each other and our wall studs. Here is the final result of our new office desks and DIY countertops installed.